Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning a dua very important. And because in this dua we will request Allah for protection from the front, from back side, from the right side, from left side, from upper side, from lower side. So the all sides we will cover with protection of Allah. So because the shaitan is our worst enemy, and attack of shaitan is possible from front, from back, from right, from left, and also attack of some other creation of Allah who are disobedient of Allah, who may be the enemies. So possible from up and down, or from maybe some torment or punishment to the people, and sometime if we are there we may be with them. So this may be earthquake, it goes take the person towards down, and maybe the punishment comes from Allah, from the sky, from. So this way so many problems and so many troubles possible in future. So from every side we need to protect ourselves from every side, because shaitan said to Allah that I will sit at the Sirat-e-Mustaqim to make the people away from right path. He said in Surah Araf, he said, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. He said, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. La aqudanna lahum siratakal mustaqim. He said, I will sit down at the place which is going to Sirat-e-Mustaqim, and then I will make the people move away from Sirat-e-Mustaqim, turns away from there. And summa la atiyannahum min bayni aydihim, and I will sit, I will come to them from before them or in front of them to attack them, to make them away from Sirat-e-Mustaqim. وَمِنْ خَلْفِهِمْ, and I will make them away from Sirat-e-Mustaqim. I will come through the backward of that way. وَعَنْ أَيْمَانِهِمْ, and I will come from the right side to attack them. وَعَنْ شَمَائِلِهِمْ, and I will come from the left side. وَلَا تَجِدُ أَكْثَرَهُمْ شَاكِرِينَ, and Allah, you will not find many of the people you are thankful, because they will be with me. Then Allah said, no problem. لَمَنْ تَبِعَكَ مِنْهُمْ, the people who will follow you, لَأَمْلَأَنَّ جَهَنَّمَ مِنْكُمْ أَجْمَعِينَ, I will put you and altogether those people with you in the hell. So this will be the situation. So this way, this dua will protect us from all four sides, also from shaitan. It protect us from our nafs, from the other creation of Allah, from every side. So all the sides will be covered. So very important for us to read this dua, and in the morning after Salatul Fajr, and also after Maghrib, you have to read this one. Inshallah, you will be protected at night and at the daytime, inshallah. So I am reading this dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allahumma hafazni min bayni yadayya, wa min khalfi, wa an yamini, wa an shimali, wa min fawqi, وَأَعُوذُ بِعَظْمَتِكَ وَأَنْ أُغْتَالَ مِنْ تَحْتِي. Allahumma hafazni, O Allah, protect me, min bayni yadayya, from my front side, wa min khalfi, and protect me from the back side, wa an yamini, and protect me from the right side, wa an shamali, and protect me from the left side, وَمِنْ فَوْقِي, and protect me from the upper side. وَأَعُوذُ بِعَظْمَتِكَ, and I request you for your shelter. أَنْ أُغْتَالَ مِنْ تَحْتِي, from being taken unaware from beneath me. So you have to protect from the lower side of me, because I don't know what happened because I have no idea. So you know that if there is some problem, some trouble, some type of loss or problem to me, so from the lower side you have to protect me, please. I request to you for your shelter. So this way very important this dua. Allahumma hafazni min bayni yadayya wa min khalfi wa an yamini wa an shimali wa min fawqi wa a'udhu bi azmatika an ughtala min tahti. Allahumma hafazni min bayni yadayya wa min khalfi wa an yamini wa an shimali wa min fawqi وَأَعُوذُ بِعَظْمَتِكَ أَنْ أُغْتَالَ مِنْ تَحْتِي. So this dua is also present from Ibn Majah Hadith book. So Alhamdulillah, we have to try our best to request Allah with this dua to protect ourselves from all rounder protection. So this will help us to protect completely and fully, and inshallah Allah will protect us and we will be the best person in this world, because with the protection of Allah we will be safe and we will get the best results of this world for hereafter to get the success and entry to paradise, inshallah. Ameen.